bouge encore. They're like kicking. Wow, 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 wow. It's not finished. It's not finished.
Ze willen daar recht zitten.
Yeah, yeah. He's not dead. He's not dead yet. They should come behind her.
It's not a baby, huh?
No, no, no. It's a big one.
It's a big one.
Oh no.
Which one?
The one that she has. He's not so small. Huh?
No, it's not small, that's a female.
Yeah, female. She's still
Can you
alive.
see how brave that lion is?
Lion, man.
Not a
She's
baby,
facing like 20 buffaloes. If one comes from the back and kicks her,
Oh no.
it's bad.
Oh
Huh?
no. Oh no.
Ah, je moet gaan lopen.
Wow.
Non mais il
va
peut plus se
Je
lever.
moet gaan lopen.
Il va mourir, tu sais.
Ouais, ouais. Sinon, il va la voir après. Il va pas se relever. See, those buffaloes, they don't give up. You see, they all came back.
You see that in your life?
No, never.
Very few people manage to see this. You have come with a professor.
En één chance, ongelooflijk.
Mais il peut pas se lever. Hein.
Non, il est mort.
Maar ik zeg het, hè?
Non.
The lion
Il a
va
coupé les tendons.
No, but she has done a lot of wounds from that buffalo.
Yeah.
She's not going to move.
So if he
can't
doesn't
move.
die now, she'll have him in a few hours.
No, she'll come back. There he is.
wait.
Just wait.
They'll realize that she's dead. But look, it's spectacular. All the buffaloes came back from the water. They all come to help.
But why? How come the male don't come to help her?
It seems the male is very far from this place.
When the lion was coming, then it was good. The lion is not coming.
Yeah, she's getting scared. You can hear the buffaloes. You can hear, the whole. So the male say, I'm getting old. I cannot run away from them.
Où est-ce qu'il est parti maintenant?
Elle est là derrière.
Elle est là.
Elle attend.
Sur le sol.
Can you see the way how flat the buffalo has gone? Can you see? You cannot see anything. But it's there.
But the buffalo is not dead, huh?
No, the buffalo is not yet dead. Yeah.
Bless it.
Mais il va mourir, tu sais.
Yeah, I don't think he can really get up.
Il peut pas se
They're all
lever.
licking
Regarde,
him.
il est sur le
Yeah,
sol là.
Sur le sol. They're
Il
all
essaye
licking
de
him.
l'aider, mais.
Look how good they are.
That's why people they are writing on the comment book there, Professor Peter,
Doctor
doctor. Yes.
in science biology.
Yeah. You're going to write that on the comment. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ja.
The pro.
Professor Peter.
It is moving away. She knows that she has done the damage already
Yeah.
because
She can
all
come
the veins has been cut.
Yeah. So she can just wait now.
Ja,
a little
dan
bit.
ben je weer verder weg.
On peut attendre ici jusqu'à ce qu'elle
Oh,
commence
yeah,
à
yeah.
bouger.
Non,
Oui,
les buffles vont rester autour. Hein.
tu crois?
Oui, oui.
Non, mais quand il est mort, il est mort.
Non, il n'est pas mort.
Combien de temps? How long do you think the buffaloes would stay around? The others are coming there.
Which one?
No? No, in Palace.
The lion is coming.
No.
That buffalo is still on the floor there. They're all licking him. Amazing community, huh? They all
Yeah.
come to
You
look
can-
and try to reassure him. To make
I'm
his
very
prayers.
happy. I've done my job.
Maar we hem net niet gezet betalen, hè?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's getting up.
You see?
Maar
Yeah,
the lion is not
but
coming.
if it was the elephants could wake that one up and they start pushing him until he walks. But that one is badly damaged.
Yeah. He was down
Il y a
there
les photos qui commencent à
3
venir.
minutes. Oh, they're moving over there. It's all the impalas are
The lion.
running away.
The lion is coming.
Yeah, look there.
Yes, there.